In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about plans for the future in English. Talking about the future is very common. People talk about plans every day. We talk about plans for tomorrow, for next week, and for next year. Learning how to talk about the future helps you share your goals and your hopes in simple English. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. What are future plans? Future plans are things you want to do later. They can be small plans or big plans. Everyone has plans for the future. You can say, I have plans. I have future plans. I'm thinking about the future. For example, I have plans for the weekend. I'm thinking about the future. Part 2. Talking about short-term plans. Short-term plans are plans for soon. You can say, I will do this tomorrow. I plan to do it later. I'm going to rest today. For example, I will call you tomorrow. I'm going to relax this evening. Part 3. Talking about plans for the week. People often talk about plans for the week. You can say, I have plans this week. I'm busy this week. I have a full schedule. For example, I have plans this week. I'm busy on Friday. Part 4. Talking about weekend plans. Weekend plans are very common. You can say, I have plans this weekend. I'm free this weekend. I'm not sure yet. For example, I have plans this weekend. I'm free on Sunday. This is an English learning podcast. The listener should feel comfortable, safe, and motivated to learn. Part 5. Talking about long-term plans. Long-term plans are plans for the future, far away. You can say, I want to improve my English. I want a better job. I want a better life. For example, I want to improve my English. I want a better job. Part 6. Talking about goals. Goals are things you work toward. You can say, my goal is to learn English. I'm working toward my goals. I have goals for the future. For example, my goal is to speak English better. I'm working toward my goals. Part 7. Talking about hopes and dreams. Hopes and dreams are positive thoughts about the future. You can say, I hope things get better. I hope for success. I dream of a good life. For example, I hope things get better. I dream of traveling. Part 8. Polite ways to talk about plans. Sometimes you want to sound polite. You can say, I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking. I'll decide later. For example, I'm not sure yet. I'll decide later. Part 9. Asking others about future plans. You can ask, what are your plans? Do you have plans for tomorrow? What do you want to do in the future? For example, what are your plans for the weekend? What do you want to do in the future? Part 10. Responding naturally. When someone asks about your plans, you can say, I have plans. I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking. Simple answers are enough. Part 11. Talking about uncertainty. Sometimes plans change. You can say, I don't know yet. Things may change. I'll see what happens. For example, I don't know yet. I'll see what happens. Part 12. Daily life examples. Today, I plan to relax. Tomorrow, I will work. This week, I have plans. In the future, I want to improve my life. Part 13. Gentle encouragement. Talking about the future can feel scary, but talking about plans gives you direction. You do not need perfect English to talk about the future. Simple words are enough. It's okay to say, I will try. I want to learn. I hope things improve. These sentences are simple and powerful. Now you know how to talk about plans for the future in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them in real life. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk at the doctor in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.